Hi guys, another day, another story. We will travel together in our universe. Take a place. Take your headphone. And let's go. Our story today is about how to make money online. I will give you the best and real 5 tips to earn money online. First of all, we will begin with Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a type of work where individuals offer their skills and services to various clients or companies on a project-by-project basis, rather than being employed by a single organization. Freelancers are self-employed and often work remotely, choosing their own clients and setting their own rates. They can work in various fields, including writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, consulting, and more. Freelancers typically find work through online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, or by networking and marketing their services directly to potential clients. So, you need to offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Services can include writing, graphic design, programming, etc. Number 2. Online surveys and market research. Online surveys and market research involve collecting data from consumers through digital questionnaires to help companies understand customer preferences and market trends. Participants are paid or rewarded for sharing their opinions on various products, services, or general topics. This can be done through survey platforms like Swagbucks or SurveyJunkie, where users complete surveys for cash, gift cards, or other rewards. While it's an easy and flexible way to earn some extra income, the pay is usually modest, and not everyone qualifies for every survey. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses earn a commission by promoting and driving sales or leads for another company's products or services. Affiliates share unique links to the products through websites, blogs, social media, or email, and earn a percentage of the sale or a set fee when someone makes a purchase or completes a desired action through their link. This model allows companies to expand their reach and sales through affiliates, while affiliates can generate income without having to create or manage their own products. So, you need to promote products or services and earn commissions through platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Number 4. Selling products. Selling products online involves offering physical or digital goods to customers through various e-commerce platforms or personal websites. Individuals or businesses can create or source products and sell them on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or Shopify. This method allows sellers to reach a global audience and manage their business remotely. The process typically involves listing products, managing inventory, handling customer service, and shipping orders. Selling products online can be a profitable way to make money, whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage items, dropshipped products, or digital downloads like ebooks or courses. You need to use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell handmade items, vintage goods, or other products. Number 5. Content creation. Content creation is the process of producing and sharing various types of media, such as videos, blogs, podcasts, social media posts, or graphics, with the aim of informing, entertaining, or engaging an audience. Content creators use platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or personal blogs to publish their work. They often monetize their content through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Content creation allows individuals to build a personal brand, connect with a community, and potentially earn income by sharing their expertise, creativity, or unique perspectives on various topics. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or Patreon. At the end, I hope this video was useful. see you soon in other tips and stories. And never forget, you make your life, you make your story.